Imagine reaching the pinnacle of success only to watch it all slip away. Consider the story of Nicolas Cage,
And the Oscar goes to.
a household name, an Oscar winning actor with blockbuster hits in the 1990s and early 2000s. At one point, Cage was worth over $150 million. He lived a life of excess, buying castles, rare artifacts, and luxury cars. From the outside, it looked like he had it all. But by 2009, Cage's fortune had dwindled. He was reportedly in debt, forced to sell his extravagant homes and face the harsh reality of financial instability. How does someone go from such immense wealth to losing it all? Today, we are debunking some of the most common money myths using insights from Morgan Housel's best-selling book, The Psychology of Money. These myths could be what's holding you back from achieving true financial success. Stick around as we uncover the real psychology behind your financial decisions and debunk some of the most deeply ingrained money myths. We often think that more money equals more happiness. This myth is rooted in what we see around us, the luxurious lifestyle of the rich and famous. But is this really the case? Take Nicolas Cage for example. Despite earning millions, Cage's spending habits and extravagant lifestyle led to stress, debt, and financial ruin. Research shows that after a certain point, around $75,000 per year, more money doesn't significantly increase happiness. As Morgan Housel explains, money is a tool to achieve freedom, not happiness. True wealth isn't about expensive things, it's about the freedom to spend your time as you please, to live according to your values, and to find fulfillment beyond material possessions. Another common misconception is that wealth is the same as income. We assume that people with high incomes are wealthy, but wealth and income are not the same. Morgan Housel argues that wealth is what you don't see. It's the money you save and invest, not what you spend. Many celebrities, like Nicolas Cage, earned millions but didn't build lasting wealth because they spent it as fast as they made it. True wealth is the ability to sustain your lifestyle over time. It's not about how much you earn in a year, but how much you keep and invest wisely. Many believe that investing is reserved for the wealthy, something out of the reach for the average person. But this myth can prevent people from building real wealth over time. As Housel points out, anyone can invest, and the earlier you start, the better. Even small investments can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Investing isn't about how much money you have, it's about consistency and time. The real power of investing lies in compound growth. The earlier you start and the longer you stay invested, the more your money will grow. Debt is another area plagued by myths. We are often told that all debt is bad and we should avoid it at all cost. But not all debt is created equal. Debt, when used wisely, can actually help you build wealth. Think of a mortgage on a home that appreciates over time, or a loan that funds a profitable business. These are examples of good debt that can lead to financial growth. The key is knowing the difference between good debt and bad debt. High interest credit card debt that piles up with no return, that's bad debt. But a low interest mortgage on an appreciating asset or a student loan that increases your earning potential, that can be good debt. Another widespread belief is that financial success is about intelligence, that only the smartest or most educated people can manage their money well. But that's far from the truth. Morgan Housel argues that financial success has more to do with behavior than intelligence. It's about patience, self control, and making decisions with the long term in mind. In fact, many people with average intelligence have built extraordinary wealth simply by sticking to consistent, sound financial habits. Financial success is about understanding your emotions and maintaining discipline. It's less about the numbers and more about controlling your behavior and making small, smart decisions. So, if there's one key takeaway from today, it's this: financial success doesn't come from intelligence or luck. It comes from understanding the psychology of money and making better choices every day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful book summaries.